Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permission and installing Nmap, then run it with elevated privileges so results include service details. Once done, determine the target IP or sitter and perform a light reconnaissance. An ICMP ping sweep plus SS for a stealthy TCP SYN scan and SV to enumerate services. These first actionable steps gather reachable hosts and open ports without diving into heavy tests. Make sure to log output, using O for consistent files you will inspect next. Now you move into deeper verification. Run Nmap's version detection with adjusted intensity to better fingerprint software, because accurate versions let you map to known CVEs. Next, run the Nmap scripting engine with script vuln or select scripts for the protocols you found. This probes for common misconfigurations and exploits. Once done, tune timing with T3 or T4 to balance speed and reliability, and restrict to ports or services you identified to avoid unnecessary noise and reduce false positives. You finish by consolidating findings. Export all outputs with OA, then correlate open services and versions against CVE data and manual verification to prioritize fixes. Create remediation recommendations for high-severity items and schedule rescans after patches. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Verify network connectivity and DNS, ensure your source IP isn't blocked by a firewall, and rerun with increased verbosity, VV, and slower timing. This reveals dropped probes or script errors so you can repeat the scan reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.